Hello, my name is Casey, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install LiteSpeed Web Server on a Plesk server. So let's begin. First, open up the Plesk control panel and go to the extension page. Search for LiteSpeed, then install and open it. Click Install LiteSpeed and follow the prompt to fill your data. The installation was successful. Now we will set LiteSpeed to run in parallel with Apache for a quick check and test. Change the port offset to 1000. This will make Apache continue to work on ports 80 and 443 while LiteSpeed runs on port 1080 and 1443. Restart LiteSpeed after you set port offset. Now open the test site. This is a very important step. LiteSpeed requires the PHP handler be set to fast CGI. Since we set non-standard port, we may need to open them in the firewall. Add a new rule. We will set port 1443 TCP for HTTPS traffic parallel of LiteSpeed Web Server in order to test LiteSpeed Web Server. And we will set UDP on port 443 for quick and HTTP3 for when we set LiteSpeed as the main web server. You can remove port 1443 after the tests if necessary. Now open the test site and go to the PHP info page we created earlier. Check the PHP version and server API. If you experience weird PHP behavior, like the settings versions not matching, restart LiteSpeed to properly apply the PHP settings. As we can see, it shows PHP 7.3 on LiteSpeed and PHP 7.4 on Apache. We need to restart LiteSpeed in order to properly reload PHP. Now, refresh again on LiteSpeed PHP info page. PHP should show version 7.4. We will set LiteSpeed as the main web server and stop Apache. Then we will set up the cache route for the LiteSpeed cache plugins. Now go to the Cache Manager. From here, we can mass enable and disable the LiteSpeed Cache plugin for WordPress. Scan the existing sites. The test site has been detected. Let's go to the WordPress admin area to verify currently installed plugins. Now enable the cache plugin. Reload the plugin page. The LiteSpeed Cache plugin has been installed and enabled. You can further customize the settings if needed. Now, verify the cache functionality by checking the HTTP response header. We can see X LiteSpeed Cache hit header, meaning cache is active. It shows private cache because we are visiting the page as a logged in user. Okay, So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. Bye!